did you get what explain now?
You are waiting. The quality was waiting for. Bluetooth. Okay, Bluetooth. Where you do a transaction, we clear.
Hey God,
I like you, boy. You better work that. But man, we say you don't pay.
Voilà une histoire très choquante. Voilà une histoire très très choquante. Un pasteur ou un prophète du côté de Bamenda enlève le masque d'oxygène sur un patient et veut prier pour le patient pour qu'il guérisse. Attends, non mais c'est sérieux. C'est sérieux. C'est-à-dire dans le pays ici, on a déjà un laisser-faire à un niveau où on ne sait même plus ce qu'on veut. On ne sait même plus où on va. Non mais sérieux. Il veut... Attends, écoutez d'abord l'histoire. Écoutez la vidéo.
Happening right now at the regional hospital Bamenda. A young man just walked into the female ward, remove oxygen from a patient, and then start praying that that oxygen is free. Can you imagine, bro? Are you a pastor? Are you a pastor?
I'm not a pastor, sir.
So why you move oxygen for patient?
For patients. I'm not talking so that all
Yeah, talk, I'm in here. Talk, no, I'm in here.
all right. The Bible says we have to go ahead with Christ. I'm not a Christian. I'm not a Catholic. I'm not a Presbyterian.
You are what?
I'm a Christian.
Are you a pastor?
No.
So why you move oxygen for patient skin?
For patients.
Yes.
I remove patients because I trust Jesus.
You trust Jesus?
Yes.
It's okay.
Somebody say that she knows him.
Who?
That guy. You know me. That used to be a person. You didn't know me.
Okay, he's mad. Why wanna talk now? Where? The patient is dying. The patient is dying. Move oxygen for patient.
The patient cannot die.
Who told you?
I know.
Is he a patient?
I beg, I want to
He's a Christian.
Now your patient. The patient is not your patient. You just walk in the ward and remove oxygen from the patient's face. Lord of Jesus. And anything more for you.
that person this way runs your shit.
Bro, that patient, is he your patient? So why remove the oxygen?
Go to class.
Because you're a Christian.
Okay,
Who sent you?
Our the Father who sent me to come here.
The father.
Yes.
I said, another man, that's for age no.
Uncle, it's just that at times he behaves like that. Okay, now God send you.
Lord of Jesus.
Greater work shall you do.
I said,
I don't got up there for you.
patient did die already. Now talk to the child for processing patient back. For day now so.
She cannot die.
Oh, Gino, don't say like that. They don't just move
What my,
people. It's not normal. Why not?
I've not seen this kind of thing before in my life. This man just walk into the ward and remove oxygen from a patient. I said that God sent him.
Wonderfully.
The patient is not even his patient.
He's dead.
He's dying. He make, happening live at Bamenda Regional Hospital. Eh? Can you imagine? Yes, no, I'm not calling him. I'm not calling him.
Woman so die na me sister I'll kill you because that woman they don't rest her cool. If he die na me I'll kill you.
She can never be done.
All the men she can never die, bro.
She can never. I could not pray with her with the oxygen. What is wrong with the oxygen?
Are you the true chingom? Say the man of God.
She's already cold. Like,
What are you chingom for?
I'm not a man of God, sir.
You are what?
Why are you?
I'm a Christian.
Then who asked you who gave you the right to remove the oxygen? Is oxygen not made also by God?
This can they be ordered?
Yeah. Can it be ordered?
Yes, I want to
One
explain.
person put their hand, they don't put like they are fighting on her.
Like how?
They fight for make her.
One person should be telling why the others are silent, so we can get the message.
I say,
But she
no, no, man.
to him, why do you have
normal.
him move
No, it might not be normal.
You know what we did?
Place where he sleep.
They paid you to do
This
that.
kind of man know what we did.
Somebody paid you to do that. They don't say chi. I said, Gabe, say chi. They don't say chi, boy. No, say chi. Search him, search his bag. Search his bag.
don't even hear now. Once on see.
It's in China and the blessed will be enough. Why you chew too much chewing-gum, bro?
Like this. Now what you do is, the Bible revelation. Chewing-gum day. Part to the chop chewing-gum. See what an chop. The main food. You are loving. Now two brushes. Come to the house. Nanangamboko.
What do you do toothbrush, bro?
Nanangamboko.
What do you do with toothbrush? In your bag every day.
When I see Nigeria perfume. Like this city when they come back. Hey, master, I say boy, the big boy. If you only a watch.
Le plus choquant même dans l'histoire, c'est que il essaie toujours de s'expliquer et il essaie toujours de mettre la foi en avant. En fait, il a foi en son Dieu au point où il a même le courage d'enlever le masque sur un client qui est sous assistance respiratoire. Attends, ça vous arrive même souvent. Il est normal. Il est normal. Il pouvait bien faire sa prière. Il pouvait bien faire sa prière sans toutefois enlever le masque. Oui. On sait qu'il y a des pasteurs qui se rendent dans des hôpitaux, des cliniques pour prier pour des patients et tout. Et c'est bien, oui, c'est bien, c'est très bien parce que ça redonne de l'espoir pour une quelconque guérison aux patients. Mais arriver au point enlever le masque pour dire que non, je vais prier pour qu'il se réveille. Tu testes Dieu. Tu veux mettre Dieu à l'épreuve. Tu veux mettre Dieu à l'épreuve pour savoir s'il est vraiment là ou pas. À un moment, on ne sait même plus si on va croire aux hommes de Dieu ou pas parce qu'ils exagèrent. Ils exagèrent. On demande que bon, pourquoi tu as fait ça? Il dit que non. Il veut même citer les paroles. Il veut même citer les paroles dans la Bible. Attends, ça veut dire quoi? Ça veut dire quoi? Quand vous regardez, même analysez même vous-même. Analysez le type qui est assis. Est-ce qu'il ressemble à un pasteur? Il ressemble à un prophète? On va dire que non, il ne faut pas juger un livre par son... Bref, laissez les citations là. Mais quand vous regardez et que vous écoutez même ce qu'il est en train de vouloir rencontrer là, parce qu'on veut même savoir ce qui se passe, il demande que non, mettez un peu de l'ordre, il va falloir que vous vous calmez, vous tous, pour que moi je puisse parler, je puisse m'exprimer, je vous explique ce qui se passe. On dit que la patiente va mourir, il dit que non, il connaît, il sait que la patiente ne va pas mourir. Et après des infos, on a dit qu'après tout ça, la patiente est morte. Sérieux? Non. Partagez la vidéo. Il faut qu'on sensibilise les gens. Il faut que, si tu as un homme de Dieu que tu suis, je ne sais même plus quoi dire. Partagez la vidéo.